Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? If this is your first time here, my name is Shalimar Williams. On this channel, I do product review, wear test, tutorial, and some vlog. If these are videos that you're interested in, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment below. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my new updated skincare routine and how to properly remove your makeup. If this is something that you are interested in, make sure you keep watching. All right, so here we have the Belief, and this is the Aqua Bomb Makeup Remover Cleansing Balm. And this is really good to remove your makeup, better than the makeup wipe removers, I think, especially if you have acne-prone skin. I think this works so well by really lifting the makeup from your skin versus actually sinking the makeup into your skin. And you just have to apply it on a dry skin, of course, your dry makeup, and just rub it in, and it's just release it completely off. And then the next thing you have to do is to make sure that you rinse it off. And just continue to rinse it off with some warm water. That works well versus the cold water, and then you can see the makeup is completely gone. Then I'm gonna go in with the Dr. Dennis Gross, and this is a Pore Perfecting Cleanser. And I'm really gonna cleanse my skin. And I really believe in doing this for 60 seconds. Continue to just rub it in your skin just to get the makeup completely off. And then, of course, rinse it off and dry your skin. And it's good to use a paper towel in this way that you can trash it and you're not using a regular towel, so you're applying bacteria back to your skin. Then I'm gonna go in with this Mario Badescu, and this is a cleansing mask, a calming cleansing mask. I love this, especially since I just removed the makeup. I really wanna go in with a mask to smooth my skin and again, further remove any excess makeup that may be lingering there. Just keep applying all over your skin until it's completely covered. And you'll leave this on your skin for around 15 minutes. You can leave it longer, it won't damage your skin, but the requirement is 15 minutes, and let it just sit in your skin and do its work. So it lifts your skin. You could feel that tightness in your skin. That's how I like a mask to leave my skin feeling really tight. Like it pulls it together, like I gotta really tuck. Now rinse this off with some warm water and just keep rinsing it off, and it will actually just lift the product up. It's not hard to get it off your skin. You can now see how my skin looking hydrated, and I love that. So you're just gonna go in with a clean paper towel and you're gonna dry your skin. Just pat your skin, do not drag it, just pat it until it's completely dry. I love the way my skin is feeling, really smooth. Now I'm gonna go in with the Dr. Dennis Gross, and this is the Universal Daily Peel. I talk about this peel in all my favorites. And one is for exfoliating, and another one is actually for removing dead layer skins and youthfulness. So go ahead and just wipe it all over your face on each side, so you guys can see all my breakouts and my spots. Now I'm gonna use a Mario Badescu, and this is the facial cucumber spray all over my skin to hydrate my skin. Now I'm gonna go in with the Banana Bright Eye Cream. I love this one, everybody use it. And I'm using this cream under my eyes because again, this is the tenderest part of your skin, and I will not use a regular moisturizer under that area. And as I blend it out, I tend to lift my skin up to get that bag a little less. Now I'm going in with a dark spot remover that I get from my herbal store. And I'm just going to go over these spots. Hopefully I can lighten them up a little. Of course, I'm going to go in with my Olay, and this is my daily moisturizer, SPF 15. And I'm going to mix it with this Skin Saver oil from Cree, and I'm going to mix both products and apply it all over my skin just to make sure that I'm really locking in the moisture in my skin. And I'll take this product down my neck area to make sure everywhere is hydrated. And I'm gonna go in again with some of that oil, and I'm gonna apply that on my neck because my neck has been doing good, because y'all, you already know, if you've been here for a while, that I do have eczema on my neck. So that's what my skin is looking like. Really hydrated. I'm feeling really wonderful. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video was very informative and there was some tips and tricks that you could use in your skincare routine. If this is interesting to you, make sure you leave a comment below, subscribe, share these videos, like this video, and I'll see you all on my very next video. Bye.